Why are we doing it?
We're making a dust and cleaning robot that we can use on Mars. Why we're doing this is that dust can block the sensors on our machines in the carnival, and having this robot will allow us to ensure the safety that the carnival rides are working. Macy, what will we do?
We are creating two robots. The first one is going to go around and look for red dots that represent dirt and clean them. And then the second one is going to be our reassurance bot that goes around and makes sure everything is clean. How will we do it?
We'll use Gearbot Simulator to test, build, and change our robots. We'll use sensors to detect colors and distance so we could navigate obstacles on Mars.
We chose the LCD design because users can easily read the status warnings and debris warnings on the robots.
A pro that we had is the code tells the robot exactly what to do. It stops when it sees red and waits to clean, and then it goes whenever it's told to.
A con we had was the robot sometimes running into walls or turning too wide.
This code tells our robot exactly what to do, from the red dot to the second robot being the reassurance and cleaning up.
We discussed either using one robot or two. We chose two as a team because it made our process more faster and reliable.
In the final run, both robots work together. The first one detects and cleans, while the second one follows to confirm the area is clear. They move efficiently, avoid obstacles, and complete the mission successfully.
I had trouble keeping all the video clips organized, and how I solved this is I labeled them and put them into their own albums. And what I learned is that to be organized helps the team work easier and faster.
I couldn't find clear information about some sensors, so I used Gearbot's tutorials and videos to learn more. I learned how to research and apply new skills on my own.
One of our difficulties in the past weeks have been splitting up our workload. How we solved this is that we decided that each person is going to have a specific job to do each week, and what we learned from this is it's important to have equal amount of workloads for each person.
During testing, the robot sometimes turned too wide or ran into walls. We fixed this by adjusting the motor speed and turn angles so that way it ran smoothly and consistent. One thing I learned is that proper team communication is important to ensure good, steady teamwork.
My sensors gave random readings at first. I tested each one separately until I found the issue. I learned that testing step by step saves time later.
A difficulty I faced was learning how to get the robots to work together, and I solved this by asking my classmates to help me. And what I learned from this is it's always better to ask for help if you're struggling. No, she's dancing in the background.
What? This guy's...
We're making a